dear friends, welcome to this video. The colors we'll need to draw this simple and beautiful illustration are ready now. Yellow, violet, green, black. Great, now that we have our colors ready, let's start painting together.
3, 2, 1!
For this drawing, having a simple ruler can be really helpful, but don't worry. If you don't have one, you can still draw the lines with your hand and make an amazing picture. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With one like and subscribe, become part of our colorful world. Give your like and be part of our happiness. Want the good vibes to continue? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We finished together. I'm so proud of you. Let's draw something new in the next video.
Wow!